So as you can see, I am earning $100 every day in pure passive income just by using these 5 best apps. They are completely free to use and it's available worldwide. So you can make money online from anywhere in the world, and all you have to do is just install these apps to your device. That is all you will do to make money. So like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and let's start with the first app on our list, called Lifecoin. Lifecoin is a platform where you can get paid just to walk. Yes, you heard it right. Just install the app and you will start making money for just walking. Also, this app is available for both Android and iOS users. So, if you use Android device, you can download it from Play Store. And if you use iOS device, you can download it from App Store, which will look like this. And the good thing about this app is that this app has multiple payment options. So, if PayPal is not available in your country, you can still get paid through different gift cards, sporting goods and many more. If you have PayPal, then that is always the good option. But if you don't have one, you can always get paid through Amazon gift cards and other gift cards, a brand new iPhone, Apple AirPods, Apple Watches, and much more. They are always adding new items, so check daily to see their latest prizes. And as I showed you, you can download it from Play Store or App Store for completely free. But if you want, you can install the app from their official website also. Just come over to lifecoin.ai, which is the official website of this app, and you can install the app to your device by selecting the type of your device. All you have to do is just install the app on your device and put the phone in your pocket, because this one is gonna pay you just to walk, and you don't even have to leave your house at all. I mean, you walk from your computer to your bed, from your bed to your kitchen, from your kitchen to your living room. You walk every single day. But now, you are gonna get paid for just installing this app. You don't have to take any surveys, you don't have to complete any boring tasks. You are gonna pay just for walking around your beautiful city. So just install the app and put your phone in your pocket. And every day, you will collect some points, which you can exchange for different prizes. As I showed you, you can get $100 gift card, not only once, but you can do it again and again, and earn money online in pure passive income without doing any work yourself. Once again, this app is called Lifecoin. Moving on to second app on our list is called moneysmsapp.com. This is one of my favorite apps when it comes to make passive income online. Make money online. Money SMS is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by their system. As you can see, this is automatic. You earn money with this app completely passively, without any active actions required from your side. You don't have to do any work at all. You just install the app and you will get paid to receive SMS from them. Now you don't have to read the SMS. You don't even have to open it. You can delete it as soon as you receive it. They are just testing out different systems, but they will not be showing you any ads. You will not have to complete any surveys or whatsoever. Just install the app. They will send you a couple of SMS per day, a couple of text messages per day, which you don't even have to read, which you can even delete as soon as you get them, and you will get paid for each message you receive. This is of course 100% secured. Their app does not read any of your private messages or uses any other data. So this is not a data collecting app. It will not do that. They only read their own test SMS, and of course, their app is completely free. You do not need to pay anything to get started. All you need to do is sign up to the app. You can even search for it on Google or on the Google Play Store. Just search for Money SMS app, download, and install the app on your device. Create an account. It's going to take less than a minute to sign up, and you will just start receiving the automatic text messages, for which you will get paid around 3 to 4 cents if we were talking about dollars. This is in euros, but in dollars, that's gonna be around 3 to 4 cents per each message that you receive. And once you have 2 euros, you will be able to withdraw your money, and that's really awesome, because you don't have to wait to get hundreds of dollars or whatsoever. As soon as you have a couple of dollars, you can immediately cash out your money with this app, and their payments are really fast. As you can see, this is proof of someone's earnings. You can withdraw your money within 48 hours only, and they do accept PayPal, because I know there's a lot of you guys that love PayPal option. Now if you're wondering if this is a scam or if it's actually legit, why are they paying you? Well, at Money SMS, they take all the necessary measures to ensure that they comply with the latest GDPR privacy policy requirements. And if you're unsure whether you should install this app or not, you can definitely read more about it here. You can click on this link, and that's gonna take you to this page. You can read more about the app. I also did a research for you on Google, and I have seen loads of reviews and loads of feedback on the app, so it does work, and it does pay. Over 400,000 250,000 people are using this app on daily basis, and they have paid over $300,000 till now. Once again, the name of this app is Money SMS, and you can download it from their official website called moneysmsapp.com. Now the third app on our list is called Telefia.io. Telefia is an app where you can get paid to share your opinions and for sharing your data. But don't worry, you don't necessarily need to share your opinions, you can just share the data with this app and you will still get paid a good amount of money in complete passive income. So, as you can see down here, you will get a download meter in this app which will help you to make passive income by just sharing your data usage with this app. And if you want, you can maximize your earnings by taking surveys and sharing your opinions, but that's completely optional. Telefia is indeed one of the best apps to make money online doing nothing. Here also, you can easily withdraw your money to PayPal. Just fill in your PayPal email and you will get paid instantly. Now to make money with this app, all you have to do is to download and install the app to your mobile device. Then, simply register yourself on Telefia and verify your new account. Next, turn on some basic permissions for the app so that you can share your data with Telefia. And that's it, you will start earning cash just by sharing your data. Now, I want you to come to the home page of this website and click on these three lines. Select How It Works option from there. That's gonna take you to this page, where you can see that if you let this app meter run in the background of your device for 8 hours a day, it will consider it as a qualified day. And if you do the same for 7 qualified days, you will get a $1 in pure passive income. And those 7 days don't even need to be consecutive days. $1 is not that much money, but remember, you don't need to do anything, and this is completely passive income. Just install the app and let it run in the background. That's all you have to do. Now, the fourth app is called Mobile Expression Panel. This app is pretty similar to the first one, so you just install the app, they will collect some data from your phone, and you will get paid. And the bonus tip for this app, and all other apps shown in this video is, if you have extra devices in your house, you can definitely install these apps on all those different devices. The more devices you have, the more money you can make. If you have only one phone, it's still gonna be nice, but if you have a couple of devices, that can definitely make at least like 4 times more money as compared to one device, because you're not doing any of the work. It just runs in the background on your device, and it will pay you like $15 to $20 a month just for having this app on your phone. You just need to install it, register for free account, and that's it. You can forget about the app, and you will have consistent passive income from it, without doing anything actively, without even having to log into the app anymore, unless you want to just withdraw your money. This app has over 1 million downloads, which is really awesome. Also, this app is here for a few decades, and this creates a trust factor on this app, so it means this is obviously not a scam. If it was a scam, then they would probably disappear after a few months. But this one has been up for a couple of years, and for a couple of years, people from all over the world have been making money with the Mobile Expression Panel. So, just install the app and start making money with this also. Now the fifth and the last app is called Honeygain.com. This is the most trusted app and one of my favorite app of all times to make passive income online. Honeygain is also similar to the first app and the fourth app that I just showed you. Here also, you will be earning money by simply sharing your internet. And by clicking on this play button, you can watch a demo tutorial of how to use Honeygain on your device. Honeygain also ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners. And the good thing is that they never ask for or gain access to the storage of your device. So, this is the safest and secured app when it comes to make passive income by sharing your data. Over 250,000 people use this app on daily basis, and they withdraw on an average of $26 from Honeygain, which is really awesome because you are making money for absolutely free, and that also in pure passive income. That's it for today. Like this video, and to make even more money, click on any of the videos showing on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.